Okay then, year 3. We're going to do a little bit more halving and doubling, carrying on from yesterday's session, but they're going to be a little bit more challenging for you. So if we recap, I've got a number here, 62. All right, and let's just for argument's sake say it's pence, 62 pence. And I'm asking you to halve it over here, and I'm asking you to double it here. Well, if you remember yesterday, I said the easiest way of halving and doubling amounts is often to partition the number. So if I partition it there into its tens and its units, and then I think, right, let's halve 60 to get 30, and let's halve 2 to get 1. And then if I add those two numbers together, I get 31. So it's just a really easy way of halving and doubling, yeah? So if we do it for the doubling as well, so first of all I need to double 60, and I get 120, and then I need to double 2, and I get 4. So if I add those together, I get 124p, and if I want to, I could convert that into pounds and pence. So just to remind you, I partition it first, like I've done here, and then I halve those amounts, or I double those amounts, depending on what the question's asking. If you have an amount which is, say it's 3 digits, say it was £1.34, and I asked you to halve that, well, you'd need to partition that into pounds, £1, tens of pence, and then units of pence. So you've partitioned it into its pound, it's 30, and it's 4. It's the exact same method. And I've said today you're going to halve and double different amounts of money. Okay, so let's go through one more before you go. So I've asked you to halve £1.38. So just like I showed you then, I'm going to partition this amount, into pounds, tens of pence, and units of pence. And then each of those, I will say, right, well, what's half of a pound? It's 50p. What's half of 30p? It's 15p. What's half of 8p? 4p. And if I add those together, I get 69 pence. So that is half of £1.38, 69p. You with me? Good. So I've asked you here to halve 3 amounts and double 3 amounts using the method that I just showed you. So you need to pause now, work your answers out for each of these, and press play when you want to go through the answers. Okay, good luck. Okay, let's go through them then. So if you have £1.42, the answer is 71 pence. Next one, half of £3.80, you get £1.90. Half of £5.56, you get £2.78. And now we're into the doubling. Okay, so double £3.80, £7.60. Double £4.55 is £9.10. And then this last one, let's go through it together. So I've asked you to double £8.37. If I partition that number into, like I've done before, pounds, tens of pence, and then units of pence, and if I double each of these, and then if I add those together, and if I put those there to show you, so you know which columns to add them up in. The answer is £16.74p. I really hope you were comfortable using that method, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.